Cats, both domestic and feral, play a significant and complex role in ecosystems as predators. Their impact on local wildlife and biodiversity can be profound and is a topic of much debate among conservationists, ecologists, and pet owners. Understanding this impact is crucial for developing strategies to balance the well-being of cats with the health of native ecosystems. Natural predatory behavior of cats. Cats are natural hunters, a behavior deeply ingrained in their instincts, even in domesticated cats. This predatory drive leads them to hunt birds, small mammals, reptiles, and insects. While this behavior is a normal part of their biology, it can have significant ecological consequences, especially in areas where cats are an introduced species. Impact on bird populations. One of the most significant impacts of cats as predators is on bird populations. Studies have shown that both domestic and feral cats contribute to the decline of local bird species in many parts of the world. Cats are particularly adept at catching birds, and their predation can lead to decreased bird populations, especially of ground nesting and urban species. Effect on small mammals and other wildlife. Cats also prey on a variety of small mammals, such as rodents, rabbits, and squirrels. While this can sometimes aid in controlling pest populations, it can also disrupt local ecosystems, particularly when native species are targeted. In areas with sensitive ecosystems, such as islands or conservation areas, the predation by cats on native species can contribute to significant ecological imbalances. Feral cats and ecosystem dynamics. Feral cats, in particular, have been identified as a major threat to wildlife conservation worldwide. Without the limitation of human care, feral cats often form large colonies, significantly increasing their impact on local wildlife. Their presence in natural habitats can lead to decreased biodiversity and the disruption of ecological processes. Competition with native predators. Cats can compete with native predator species for food, sometimes displacing them or reducing their numbers. This competition can further disrupt local ecosystems, particularly if the native predators play a specialized role in controlling certain prey populations. Disease transmission. Cats can be carriers of diseases that affect wildlife, such as toxoplasmosis, which is of particular concern for species like rodents, birds, and even marine mammals. The spread of such diseases can have far-reaching consequences for ecosystem health and biodiversity. Conservation and management strategies. TNR programs, Trap-Neuter-Return, TNR, programs are one method used to manage feral cat populations. By neutering and returning cats to their environment, these programs aim to reduce the growth of feral cat populations over time. Responsible pet ownership. Pet owners can mitigate the impact of their cats on local ecosystems by keeping cats indoors or supervising them when outdoors. Enclosures or catios offer cats outdoor access while preventing them from hunting. Wildlife protection measures. Implementing measures to protect vulnerable wildlife, such as bird sanctuaries and secured nesting sites, can help reduce the impact of predation by cats. Public education and awareness. Educating the public about the ecological impact of cats and promoting responsible pet ownership can contribute to the conservation of local ecosystems. Collaboration with conservationists. Collaboration between cat owners, conservationists, and policymakers can lead to effective strategies that balance the well-being of cats with the protection of native wildlife and ecosystems. In conclusion, the role of cats as predators in ecosystems is multifaceted and carries significant ecological implications. While their natural hunting behaviors are an intrinsic part of their biology, it is important to manage and mitigate their impact on local wildlife and biodiversity. Through responsible pet ownership, community involvement, and targeted conservation efforts, it is possible to minimize the negative effects of cats on ecosystems while ensuring their welfare and coexistence with native species.